Today I'm going to show you how to use this adjustable water pressure regulator, which all RVers should have. You can see it connects on the city water side, so it connects to the spigot at the campground. And then to the hose, we use plumber's tape on each side that really helps prevent leaks and drips when using this water pressure regulator. So if we look at it right now, our pressure is set to about 49. Most RVs recommend a max water pressure between 40 and 55 with an absolute max of 60 psi. You can check your owner's manual for your exact specifications for your RV. So looking at this adjustable water pressure regulator from above, you can see that there's a little screw on top. One side shows a minus and one side shows a plus sign. So to adjust this, you simply use a flathead screwdriver and turn it towards the minus to turn the water pressure down, or turn it towards the plus to turn the water pressure up. So right here I have the water pressure in the low 40s. So if I turn it towards that plus sign, because I think the water pressure is a little low inside, it'll raise this. So having one of these allows you to adjust the water pressure inside your RV while still ensuring that you're not exceeding that maximum PSI that could cause significant damage to your plumbing lines and cause a flood within your RV. Thanks for watching and happy camping.